If you're planning to buy the iPhone 17 series, one of the most common questions people have is about what's actually included in the box, especially the charger. In the past, iPhones used to come with everything you needed, including a power adapter, but things have changed over the years. Now, many users open the box expecting a full charging setup and end up confused when something is missing. Apple has shifted toward a more minimal packaging approach, which means fewer accessories are included by default. Understanding exactly what you get helps you avoid surprises and ensures you're ready to charge your phone right away without any delay. Try these. Step 1. Open the iPhone 17 box and check all included items. Step 2. You will find the iPhone 17 device and basic documentation. Step 3. Look for the USB-C to USB-C charging cable included inside. Step 4. Notice that a power adapter is not included. Step 5. Use an existing USB-C power adapter or buy one separately. Step 6. You can also charge using wireless charging or other compatible chargers.